Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that's been on my mind lately, the relationship between Popular Direct and Popular Bank. I've gotten a lot of questions about this from viewers, and I've also seen a lot of misinformation online. So I thought it would be a good idea to set the record straight once and for all. Is Popular Direct the same as Popular Bank? The short answer is no. Popular Direct and Popular Bank are two separate companies, each with its own history and identity. Popular Direct is a direct bank, which means that it doesn't have any physical branches. Instead, it offers its services online and over the phone. Popular Bank, on the other hand, is a traditional bank with branches across the country. So, what are the differences between Popular Direct and Popular Bank? There are a few key differences between the two companies. Products and services. Popular Direct offers a limited range of products and services, such as checking and savings accounts, CDs, and loans. Popular Bank, on the other hand, offers a full range of banking products and services, including credit cards, mortgages, and investment services. Fees. Popular Direct typically has lower fees than Popular Bank. This is because direct banks don't have the overhead costs associated with operating physical branches. Customer service. Popular Direct has a smaller customer service team than Popular Bank. This can sometimes lead to longer wait times and less personalized service. So, which company is right for you? The answer to that question depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a simple, low-cost banking option, then Popular Direct may be a good choice for you. However, if you need a full range of banking products and services, then Popular Bank may be a better option. Here are some additional things to keep in mind when choosing between Popular Direct and Popular Bank. Your credit score. If you have a low credit score, you may not be able to get approved for a loan or credit card from Popular Bank. However, you may still be able to get approved for a loan or credit card from Popular Direct. Your location. If you live in a rural area, you may not have access to a Popular Bank branch. However, you can still bank with Popular Direct online or over the phone. Your banking habits. If you're the type of person who likes to go into a bank branch to do your banking, then Popular Direct may not be a good choice for you. However, if you're comfortable banking online or over the phone, then Popular Direct may be a good option. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And remember, there is no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to choosing a bank. The best way to find the right bank for you is to do your research and compare your options. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I'll see you next time.